What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from the Valley Garage, and today is a very special day because we made 1,000 subscribers. Back when I started the channel, it was just me, as it always is, just trying to make good content, trying to make stuff for the Furies, just because, I don't know, there wasn't a lot of stuff out there, and I'm just trying to share my passion with all these bikes with you in the channel. So thank you to all of you guys, those who have been loyal since day one, and those who just signed on now. Bottom of my heart, thank you so much. This means a lot. It really does. What this means is now I can even do live videos, so we can go, anybody can come in, just broadcast live, shoot some answers, shoot the shit, type a question or something down below, and we can just hang out for like an hour or two. But what it also means too is, unfortunately, ads. Yeah, ads suck. I hate advertisement, and I love that skip button. But now that I'm here and I've now applied to, I can actually have some ad revenue come in. I don't know what that's going to be, but hey, if an ad shows up, try not to skip it, because I get a little kickback from YouTube that can come back to me that I can then invest back into the channel, because bike parts ain't cheap, and I normally have my normal day job, 40 hours a week, and then whatever money I can come up with, that's when I'm buying parts and stuff to make videos and to make content. So it's slow going for me because everything is, again, it's out of pocket. I don't have any sponsors. It's just me and my basic tools, and we're just running through the mill here, making content for you guys and having a good time all while doing it. So also, the triple clamps, I just finished the install. It has been several weeks. I've been editing and whatnot. There is a quick little 15-minute video that Low and Mean put out on how to install their triple clamps. The same one, I have the same similar setup. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to learn how to put on those said triple clamps in an ideal environment at a 15-minute window. That's okay. But as you know, and I know, I don't claim to be an expert. I never lie about anything. Of course, it's always me, right? And luck always. Hold on. Hello? Okay, appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. It's my Chinese food and celebrating for 1,000 subs. Nate! The guy's coming down the street. Be at the door, okay? All right. Where was I? Oh, yes. So, in a perfect world, bing, bang, boom, cut, cut, cut. Everything gets put back together and everything's okay. It's not the case every time. You know that, I know that. The video, the whole install took a couple days here or there, and I also did recently fall in shit. So I'm making a official debut, a mini series. So, you know, I'm gonna have the main install but broken up into parts because it was so long. I had to make multiple trips to the store and whatnot. So stay tuned for that. First episode's gonna come out on Monday, and then we'll work our way through that. But thank you to everyone who subscribed. As always, like, comment, tell friends, tell family. Let's keep blowing this channel up. We made 1,000. Let's go for 2, and we'll go from there, all right? See you on the road. Peace!